Alright, so hey guys, James here, back with another video. So today I'm just going to do the build for this PC. This is my sister's build PC, which I would have showed you like almost a week ago. So now is the build time. I've done all the unboxings of all the different parts, and so yeah, I just really want to get straight into it, really build it, and you know, take my time to do all my cable management. I won't be narrating it through most of this video, just because most of you already know how to build a computer, and if not, you can just look it up on YouTube. There are other people who's already done really good videos on how to do that. So that's not what I'm going to do. I'm just going to show you just this particular build and possibly show you how I cable manage. Maybe I might do a little bit of talking through that cable management process, but everything from just putting the parts in, I'll just do pretty much straight from that, and I'll be time-lapsed in it and everything. So yeah, enjoy. So now I'm just thinking strategically, how do I place this? So obviously you're looking at the fan. This fan is quite large in terms of the airflow, so most of the cooling will likely go to these kind of 3 drives, or these 4 drives. So I'm thinking, actually, perhaps should I just remove this cage? Take this off, because if I remove this cage, a lot of airflow will just be able to go through, and that will be awesome. So if I take this cage out, I'm left with this, and then all that air can push through, which is a good idea. So I will put the SSD at the bottom, since, well, actually, yeah, SSD, hard drive SSD. All right, so I miscalculated. I need 3 SATA cables, not just 2. So I'll have to skip the top one and mount the 2 hard drives first, since we don't really need the CD drive. So I was reading on my motherboard, there's this thing called SATA Express, and yeah, I wasn't sure what it was, but now I know after reading online. Basically, SATA Express is a new technology which isn't even out yet, so I will not benefit from that. So I will just plug in any of these to wherever. Hey guys, so this build is pretty much done and dusted, as you would have seen through that whole time lapse, you know, me getting cable management done and all that stuff, and that's kind of what usually takes the most time. Basically wanting it to look really, really nice, but as you can see here, it's really, really good. I'm really happy with the result. And yeah, there's hardly any loose cables besides the odd one or two that are there, which you have to and kind of can't help. One thing I forgot to mention was that at the back, there is a fan grill that you can put for your PSU, and it does come with it. So these are all the different things which, you know, I really love about you know, Phanteks. And even at the bottom you can see there's that mesh as well, which you can see it really helps. Oh, that's from the front. So for example, yeah, so this entire mesh front can be taken off and cleaned, which I didn't know you could do. So that's really good, because I find that a lot of the cases, I have my Corsair 800D, that one has the entire for the whole back, and so you don't have much space to actually get the whole thing out. You need double the length, and when your computer's behind like a wall or something, you don't have that much space. So it's good how there's a separate one that's only about this long, and then the one that's for the rest of it is in front. Really good thing by Phanteks. I love this case. I love Phanteks themselves, and they're not paying me in any way to say this, but yeah, I just genuinely love their products, and yeah, how they make their cases and what they include with their cases, you know, that toolbox and everything. That's really, really cool. So that's just been a little bit longer of a video on this specific build for my sister. Hope you liked this video. Like it if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any comments about this particular case, or any of the parts that I've been using, or how I run cable management. Maybe I might do that as a separate video if you guys like. Leave a like and leave a comment in the description if that's something that you guys want me to go through, how to actually do the cable management for a PC. I'll be happy to do that. So let me know, and yeah, subscribe to see more videos like this in the future. See you guys in the next one.